What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video we're going to be looking at to how you can actually make money on Zumo News, and of course we are still going to be checking out if Zumo News is actually legit or not. So basically this is the Zumo News official website, and I'm going to walk you through different options and how this platform also work based on what they have already provided on the website. So we'll be checking it one after the other and see what is inside the platform and how much does it actually cost to sign up on Zumo News, and if of course you can actually make quick money from this platform. So this is the official Zumo News website homepage, and if you also see here, you also see the latest news which are provided by people on this Zumo News platform. So like I said, let's first see how it works. Then by there, after then you can just proceed on to the next one so we can see more of the benefit on this Sumo or Zumo News platform. So they provided how it works and how you can actually make money online in Kenya by reading news on Zumo platform. So you can see, or you can also read through what they have already stated on their website here, like make money online by reading news, sharing news, referring a friend, and posting original content on Zumo News platform. Zumo News views ad revenue sharing. Most of people might be wondering where we get the income for paying our members. Zumo News View is a news website which is visited by many people in Kenya and other countries as well. We get our income from ads placed on our website and also sponsored ads. We share our ad revenue with our members monthly, depending on our income, our monthly income. As affiliate, you earn 300 per referral after the person you have referred activate his or her account successfully, meaning Zumo News is charging a certain amount of money before a user can actually get activated or get his or her account activated on this platform before that person can start making money on Zumo News. And more here will depend with your hard work, and then there is no limit for referral. Hence you can refer many people as you want who can participate in Zumo News view. So anyone can participate in Zumo News view as long as one has up to 1,300 registration fee and a smartphone, I guess. So this is how much you can actually earn from Zumo News. Reading news is what you use to get paid, and then posting original content on Zumo News, as well as sharing news on different kind of social media platform or where you believe people will be interested in watching or reading through your news. So how you can actually register on Zumo News. So to join Zumo News view and start earning, you need to have up to 13 1,300 Kenya currency, which is equivalent to $13 USD. This is a one-time payment. Note at the moment we have only one payment option available, which is Fair M-Pesa, and then but we will introduce more modes of payment soon. This actually means that only people in Kenya can actually sign up on this platform. And with this kind of method, which of course they have explained, this means this platform is really legit and they were going to pay you. And because this actually means that they are collecting money from you, this is not a free website. So if they are collecting money from you, that means they are going to try as much as possible to deliver based on what they have said on this particular page. So it's actually legit. And these are kind of posts you can make on Zumo News in order to make money as fast as possible from news, sport, politics, celebrity news, and the likes. But I feel like celebrity news will actually go viral as fast as possible because people will like to read through the news. So I want to check if, of course, we will be able to also read news without even signing up on this website. So let me try to open and see if I can read through news on this website, even though if I did not sign up. So let's see. Okay. So they said you should be compassionate and giving. The post is not showing, and then these are comments on that particular post. Let me try to check on another one and see if uh that post is having issue or they are not allow someone that did not register on the platform to see any news. Okay, if you want more, you must become more. I think you won't be able to see any news or post, or else you sign up on on this platform, or you join as a Zumo News user. So which means you have to sign up or join Zumo Income, and then you have to pay $13 in order to be a pro, or to upgrade your account on Zumo News, and you can start making money from there. So in my conclusion, this website is legit, and so far they are taking money from you. They are going to deliver, and if it's actually a free platform, I'm not gonna advise you, and to some certain extent I won't be able to tell you that if they will be able to pay this so amount on a on a monthly basis, based on what they have explained on this particular section here, which is the region news, how much you're going to make, and posting original content, how much you're going to be making, and sharing news, how much you're going to make. So overall, you're going to be making around 70 uh, Kenya currency on a daily basis, if that is if you are actually active on this platform. Aside from that, I think this website is legit, and you can definitely try it out if you're looking for a side money or side also you can actually do from the comfort of your home. So you don't have to visit any place before you can make money from Zumo News. But if you have any other question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I will try as much as possible to provide the answer to your question. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.